Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Trading Secrets. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. For those of you who do not know, my name is Ali. I have over 20 years experience teaching accounting, economics, business and law, and through this channel I'll be providing some stock analysis and a quick update on the $1 Million Challenge. So if anybody's not aware of this, this is a journey of an investment of $1,000 to a return of $1 million over a period of 3 years using a strategy called compound return investing. So the objective is to try to get 201 trades, each with an average return of 3.5%. It's not 201 consecutive trades. We do take into account losses. So for further details about how to join us in this journey, and for little as $9 a month, and also get access to our exclusive in-depth strategy video, information is available in the description below. In the previous video we looked at ticker symbol MMTLP and an order of events and also potential plan of action. We also focused on 3 bio stocks that have been making a tremendous return in terms of the previous month, with returns and gains in excess of 100%. So please refer back to the previous video for the 3 bio stocks making an excellent comeback. In today's video we're going to be looking at MMAT and also MMTLP, and also looking at a review of our weekly watch list, so stay tuned for that. So before we make a start, let's have a quick look at what's happening in the markets. So first of all, a quick headline from Bloomberg. We can see here stocks are still rebounding amid gains in big box retailers. So this is good news. Walmart did beat earnings, so that was good news. Housing start figures obviously were not too good. And in other news in the market, there's also been a significant upside of around about 70% in Bed Bath and Beyond. So this was also featured in one of the previous videos on the ticker symbol BBBY. Let's start by having a look at an update for ticker symbol MMAT. So there was an additional investment by George, the CEO. He did acquire 42,000 shares at a price approximately 96 cents, and this was looking at a value of around about $40,320. So let's have a look at a confirmation of this on Fintel. So on Fintel we can see the recent history here. So George's current holding is approximately 1.1 million. So the last time he sold was when the price was $4.02, and that was around about the 22nd of November 2021. So prior to that he sold when the price was $4.20, and that was 19th of November 2021 as well. So after those periods he has not sold. So currently here we have him with an investment of 1.158 million. Let's now have a look at the latest institutional investors up to the period 16th of August 2022. So we can see the latest increase here is from Cube Research and Technologies Limited. So they've just invested in just in excess of 139,000 shares. We also have an investment from Booth Bay Fund Management LLC. So they've just acquired in excess of 32,000 shares. Veritum Fund Management LLC have also acquired in excess of 21,000 shares. I think the most prominent one in terms of the actual size is Citadel, and they are currently holding in excess of 739,000 shares. In terms of the latest news, that we can see here a tweet from George, August the 10th, and what he stated here is a whole chapter on Metamaterials is enabling the 6G era, which will be a lot of fun and a very lucrative opportunity for companies and consumers. So obviously there is a link here with Metamaterials, so let's delve a little bit deeper into that. So headline here from Business Wire. Global 6G communications and reconfigurable intelligent services, materials and hardware markets 2022-2023, researchandmarkets.com. So what I want to focus on here is how does Metamaterials link into this? So delving a little bit deeper into here, we can see under section 3 here, Metamaterials for 6G, in terms of an overview, the meta atom and patterning options, commercial, operational and theoretical structure options compared, metamaterial patterns and materials, 6 formats of materials and examples, all the way down to applications and metamaterials, infrared and optical. So in terms of this 6G market, certainly seems to be that MMAT is primed to take advantage, especially from a commercial point of view. Let's now have a look at MMTLP. So we're going to start by having a look at the chart. So this is quite interesting for today, and what we can see here is at one point it was quite significantly in the red, and it was down to trading at $1.40, and then from that price of $1.40 we can see some significant green candles. So it certainly seems to be a short attack here, and right now at time of editing it has recovered at $1.60, so no longer in the red. The other thing I want to look at with regard to MMTLP is a post here from Corey Matthews, and this was posted on August the 12th, 2022, and this is for anybody who's in TDA. So what Corey has stated here is, for whatever reason, TDA network is playing hardball with answering the private share question. The bottom line is they know there's an S1 waiting for approval. They know private shares are going to be issued. When it's approved, they will hold the shares or not, question mark. So Corey did get a reply from TD Ameritrade, so let's see what they stated. They've said here, we do not have any information regarding these shares going private or any information regarding a corporate action on these shares. We can't make determination on a hypothetical. We would encourage you to reach out to the company transfer agent for more information. So we are getting conflicting information from many organizations, and what I have found is sometimes it's a case of being persistent, knowing the whole process, knowing the whole situation. So organizations like TD Ameritrade should know better, so they should have obviously responded a lot more positively. However, in terms of the overall situation, I think once the S1 is approved, then certainly they will get instructions, and hopefully we can get a lot more clarity. So what I'm now going to do is finish off by looking at an absolute maximum date with regard to S1 approval. So this can be up to 45 days. So from July the 15th, looking at 45 days, we're looking at a date approximately to August the 29th. However, if we go by the average date, 27 days, then potentially it could be any day, potentially even end of this week. It could be even tomorrow. So the news is going to come, and the news hopefully is going to be big. Finally, I'd like to finish off by having a quick review of our weekly watch list. So this is something that we shared in advance with the Discord members prior to trading on the Monday. We also have daily stock alerts shared prior to open market on each day. To get access to these, you can join the Discord for little as $9 a month. So let's have a look at a quick review of how we did last week. So we called out APDN, so that's still up over 300% on the month. And obviously it did consolidate down last week, but it has been making some moves right now. We also called out Plug, that was 12% up on the week, with the opportunity to get a 22% return. We called out FRZA, which was an IPO stock, opening at $5, went at one point up to $15, so great opportunity for a 200% return there. We also called out NKTX, that was up at approximately 15.7% on the week. We called out BYND, that was down 4% on the week, but there was an opportunity to get a 15% return on it by selling before the dip. And after that, we also called out Nerve, that was down 30% on the week. MRKR was also called, and it dipped on Monday, giving a good opportunity to get 26% return on that. We also called out ATNX, that was up 18% Monday to Wednesday. Then there was news of a public offering and it came down. CPS was also called, that was up 27% on the week. BNSO was also called, and that was a great opportunity to get a 76% return on that one on Thursday. GOVX was still up over 263% on the month, but was down on the week last week, but still some good opportunities to get gains of around about 10% with swing trading. We also called out CVNA, up 11% on the week. We called out MEGL, which is a very high risk stock where obviously it's highly recommended to take profit. So that was up in excess of 100% last week on the Monday. Then it came down quite significantly, and I think this week, yesterday, it has been making some significant gains up as well. So to get a copy of the weekly watch list for next week and also the daily stock alerts, you can certainly consider joining us. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned.